Hey ho, Monk on the Hill here. Today I have a guest. It's Tony. She's visiting me for a week and it's already the second time she's here. Last time she really liked to do
Firewood.
Exactly. And she's calling herself, she's a
Girly.
absolutely working mostly in the office. But I follow her wishes, so I have a little challenge for her. What do we have here? We have this and that. This is the length of my wood stove. This is the size of the opening of the wood stove. Her job today will be ta-da, getting this bad boy to these sizes. Ready for that?
Yes.
Okay, let's see how she's doing. You can choose your weapons right here.
Ta-da!
There's even more stuff around, but I think it should be doable with this. Don't worry if something is dangerous or she absolutely don't knows how to deal with it. I'll assist her.
Was mache ich falsch?
Mit Schwung ganz durchziehen. Jawohl.
Das ist gefährlich für dich. Einmal noch. Oh, komm. Okay, fast. Huh?
Okay, to be fair, this bit is probably pretty hard to split. So I would say we switch to the splitter. And as soon as I left to get the extension cord, the microphone lost connection. So let's add some music, but also watch what she was doing. She's trying to split the log unsupervised. First, some unmotivated swings, then this happened. She swings the axe, it slips off the log, comes right towards her foot. Let's look at it from a different angle. This happens if you hold the axe too loose. But look at her excellent reaction of her foot. Her next move is turning around, checking that I did not see it, put the axe away and pretend like nothing happened.
He's my co-operator. Come on. Dig it.
on. Perfect. And that's already it. She did a great job. So, mission accomplished. She's homestead worthy. Yes.
Bye.
She's allowed to stay.
Thank you.